How to make money online in South Africa. Beginner friendly and scam free. Hello guys, welcome to my technical solution. Thank you so much for stopping by my video. I'm happy that you found your way to making money online because here we will be discussing in detail the real ways and strategies for making money. You may have seen videos that titles making money online, but most of them teach making money only through surveys and apps or some kind of ad clicking and watching work. But we don't do that here. First, let me clarify that I'm not saying all those methods of making money don't work, but ask yourself, do you think all those works will provide you with consistent income and are reliable? I don't think so, because I don't believe in getting rich strategies. After all, these methods are good only for a short time. If you are looking for any such scheme, I'm sorry to inform you that you're watching the wrong video, because here mostly we will be discussing real, reliable and scalable schemes of revenue, not only by watching ads and surveys. In this video, we will be discussing in detail how you can make money online if you are in South Africa or any other African country. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody will like to miss the latest money making method. So, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Number 1. Become an online tutor. You can sell anything on the internet to make money online. Even you can sell your education. Coronavirus pandemic has boomed online teaching to many folds. Every one of us has some in-demand skill that we can teach others. There are lots of students in South Africa who wants to learn English, music and need help in their studies or some technical skill. So, if you are a university or college student who has a skill in any subject, you can teach not only face-to-face but also online. Your students or clients can either be younger kids or some college students. There are famous online tutoring websites like Check Tutors and Tutor Me. But there are specific online tutoring platforms for South Africa only. Where to find online tutor jobs in South Africa? BrightSparks. After the corona pandemic, BrightSparks is now offering online tutoring along with face-to-face tutoring. You can teach math, science, English and Afrikaans. Turtle Jar. This platform is popular in locations like Cape Town, Johannesburg, Bloem, Pretoria, Durban and East London. You can earn between R150 and R270 per hour depending on what you are teaching, and the best thing about Turtle Jar is that you will get weekly payment in your PayPal account. Tutor Me. This one is a global famous tutoring website. You can apply online and their rates are $15 per hour with a flexible schedule. Number 2. By doing freelance writing. You probably have heard of freelance writing, but do you know what you are lacking to start this easy work? You don't know how to start, where the jobs are and how you're giving them, and what if you are scammed. Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's make this straight. There are global freelancing writing platforms that you can start by making a profile and given some basic tests. And there is South Africa specific company called Livingstone Research. This is not only a research company as the name shows. You can join this company even if you have passed just high school. Just provide them with your academic certificates and you are good to go. Their pay rates are good enough, as you will be getting paid from $1,000 to $2,500 every month you work with them. The best thing about these writing jobs is they are easy because you will be writing that you already learned, and this is like a side hustle and you can continue your studies with this job. Number 3. Online proofreading. Let's move to number 3. If you love finding faults in others, you can earn money in South Africa by doing proofreading jobs. Just kidding, it's not just finding mistakes, but the job is more focused on corrections like grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and some document editing. Honestly guys, this is one of the easiest jobs, and you can get these jobs from a trusted platform which is proofreading.com. This will be like free money for you if you enjoy reading. You have to proofread other people's work like proofreading articles, blogs, essays and articles, and you can get paid $25 to $1,000 depending on how much work you do. Number 4. Start blogging. Of all the income streams, blogging is my favorite. You can make money, actually a lot of money from blogging, and this is a passive source of income. But this will not pay you every day like overnight jobs. It takes weeks to get enough money from a blog. Once it starts, there is no stopping. First of all, you have to select the topic or niche on which you will be making a blog. I will suggest you choose that category that will not make you tired and that is your hobby or passion. Keep in mind that your blog will not only for South Africa but for people from countries like China, Australia, and the USA also. Write your articles in a way that grabs the attention of readers, and if someone clicks on the link to your blog from some other country, they may get solution to their problem. Last but not the least, don't forget to do proper SEO of your blog. It will make your blog discoverable and will bring lots of free traffic to you. And if you want to learn how to do SEO, let me know in the comment section. Number 5. Facebook Marketplace and renting out a room. These are different from recent methods that we just discussed, but the goal is the same, and that is making money online. Facebook Marketplace is useful for you if you have zero investment and are looking to sell your second-hand products to local buyers. Not only this, you can sell your store products by using merchant services on the Facebook Marketplace. You can link your e-commerce store here to sell products. Facebook doesn't offer direct payouts, so you have to use another option of iKhokha in South Africa to get your payouts. Another one is renting your room or house on Airbnb for short days. South Africans make $114 million by Airbnb in 2021 only. This can be lucrative online business and hosts can accept online payments. These were the most common and authentic ways of making money in South Africa, and some of them can earn even across the country like blogging and freelancing writing. One thing is for sure, none of these gonna work if you don't have a start. I know making money online used to be tough, but now you just need creativity and have to be persistent. You only need one successful revenue stream and streams of money will follow you. So, which one of you are opting to start with? And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.